raining today. I feel down. There is no right answer here, so I'm sure I won't have a go. But I find present just search for energy to live.